Okay, good morning, students. Last class we completed question number 1, 2, and 3rd. Now question number 4. Second exercise, question number 4 in coordinate geometry. Find the ratio. Find the ratio. Find the ratio means our intention is like this. We have to find the value of m1 and m2. Find the coordinates means x y or x1 or sometimes x1 y1, sometimes x2 y2 like this. Here find the ratio. Find the ratio means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Find the ratio with the joining the points of -3, 10 and 6 comma -8 is divided by -1 and 6. The line segment will divide in the coordinates -1 and comma 6. Then what is the ratio? It means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. We have to find the value of here line segment is there. Now it is A, it is B. The coordinates of A are -3, 10. B coordinates are 6, -8. 6, -8. Then one point is there. That point will divide line segment. The point will divide line segment in which ratio? It means m1 and m2. Then the coordinates of that point. The coordinates of that point are -1, and 6. -1, and 6. We have to find the ratio. Problem already coordinates of the line segment is there. Sometimes ratio is, if ratio is given means we have to find coordinates. If coordinates is given means we have to find ratio. Here coordinates is given, we have to find ratio. In previous problem, ratio is given, we got coordinates. The line segment AB is there. AB will divide P in what ratio? If the coordinates of the P are, if the coordinates of P are -1, 6. Okay, we have to find the value of it. Ratio means m1 and m2. Therefore, what is the section formula? P of x, y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then again m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. P of x, y is equal to, now here value here x1 y1, it is x2 y2, then it is considered as x and y. It is considered as x and y. x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, here x1 y1, x2 y2, x and y is given. We have to find the value of m1 and m2. We have to find the value of m1 and m2. Then P of, now x comma, what is the value of x? X value is -1, y value is 6 is equal to m1 value. We have to find what is the value of x2? X2 value is 6 plus m2 value. We have to find what is the value of x1? X1 value is -3 because it is x1 y1. Plus m1 plus m2 means we have to find the value of m1 and m. Here m1 value we have to find. What is the value of y2? Y2 value is -8 plus m2 value we have to find. What is the value of y1? Y1 value is 10. Y1 value is 10. Then m1 plus m2. Okay, we have to find the value of m1 and m2. m1 and m2. m1 and m2 means here this x equal to this one and y equal to this one. To find m1 m2 we should consider x equal to this one or y equal to this one. X value is -1 equal to this one, 6 equal to this one. In both you can because in both the values m1 and m2 is there. Our intention is we have to find the value of m1 and m2. -1 equal to this togondu barutte, 6 equal to this togondu barutte. You can take any one. Because we need find value of m1 and m2. Here m1 and m2 is there. Here also m1 and m2 is there. If minus 1 equal to what? This one. 6 equal to this one. You can take any one. Now minus 1 or 6. 6 equal to. 6 equal to means if we are considering 6 means we should consider y coordinate. If you minus 1 means x equal to x and y, x equal to this one, y equal to this one. 6 means, and if 6 means it is y value, means we have to consider this one. Plus into minus, minus 8 into m1, 8 m1. Plus into plus, plus 10 into m2, 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Then cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Plus into plus, plus 6 into m1, 6 m1 plus 6 into m2, 6 m2 is equal to minus 8m plus 10 m2. Okay. Here minus 8m1 becomes plus 8m1 plus 6m2 becomes minus 6m2. Minus 6m1 as it is. Minus 8m1 becomes plus 8m1 is equal to plus 8m1 is equal to 10m2 as it is. Plus 6m2 becomes minus 6m2 because LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. Sign will change. 6m1 plus 8m1 is how much? 14m1 is equal to 10m2 minus 6m2, 4m2. We need m1 raised to m2. m1 raised to m2 means what will happen? m1 divided by m2. The position of m1 is numerator, the position of m2 is denominator. m1 raised to m2 means m1 divided by m2. The position of m1 is numerator, the position of m2 is denominator. It means m2 will divide m1, 14 will divide 4. Therefore, m1 divided by m2 is equal to 4 divided by 14. 2 2s are 2 7 is equal to how much? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 nothing but 2 divided by 7 nothing but 2 raised to 7. 2 by 7 nothing but 2 raised to 7. m1 raised to m2 is equal to what? 2 raised to 7. m1 value is numerator, m2 value is denominator. m1 divided by m2 means m1 raised to m2 is equal to how much? 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7 nothing but 2 raised to 7. If the coordinates of n points minus 3, 10, 6, and minus 8 and the point P will divide into coordinates minus 1, 6 means the ratio is how much? 2 raised to 7 means m1 value is 2, m2 value is 7. m2 value is 7. Okay? 2 raised to 7. Very simple. Coordinate ratio ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ coordinates find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Coordinates ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ratio find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? If ratio is given means we have to find coordinates. If coordinates is given means we have to find ratio. And here x1 y1 x2 y. Next. Third one. Sorry, fifth one. Find the ratio. Again find the ratio. Find the ratio means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Divided by the x-axis. Divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Also find the coordinates of the points of division. Question here is here. Find the ratio. Find the ratio means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. We have to find the ratio m1 and m2. Okay. M1 line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5, B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Keep in your mind, is that line segment is divided by the x-axis. The line segment is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Again, find the ratio means we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Okay, line segment is considered line segment. Consider this is the line segment A and B. The coordinates of A are 1 comma minus 5. The coordinates of B minus 4 comma 5. Minus 4 comma 5. A 1 comma minus 5, B minus 4 comma 5. Okay. One line segment is there. This line segment is divided by the x-axis. This line segment is divided by the x-axis. X-axis means vertical, y-axis means horizontal. X-axis means vertical, y-axis means horizontal. It means x-axis will divide, x-axis divide. This line segment is divided by x-axis. Divided by x-axis, which is considered as x-axis. Okay. Now this x-axis. Okay. Okay, A and B are the line segment. This line segment is divided by the x-axis. This line segment is divided by x-axis. Divided by x-axis. Okay, it means this line segment is divided by x-axis. The line segment is x-axis divided by that, then it is ratio is considered as x comma 0. X comma 0. The ratio, the coordinates of P are considered as x comma 0. Now it is m1 and it is m2. We have to find the ratio, means it is considered as x1, y1, it is x2, y2. We have to find the ratio. Indirectly, coordinates now indirectly is divided by the x-axis. Divided by the x-axis, therefore the coordinates are x comma 0. The coordinates are x comma 0. Then the coordinates of P, x comma y is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Therefore, P of x as it is. What is the value of m? Of m1? M1 we have to find. We have to find m1. x2 value is how much? -4 plus m2 value is how much? We have to find x1 value is 1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then m1 value we have to find, y2 value is 5 plus m2 value we have to find, y1 value is -5 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Okay. Here x value we don't know the value of x, but y value is how much? Here 0. Y value is given. Y value is given means we have to consider this one. If x-axis is equal to this one, 0 equal to this one. Here 0 value is given means we have to consider this one, because we don't know the, it is x variable. We don't know the exact value of x-axis. But y-axis value is how much here? 0 is equal to 5 into m1, 5m1 plus into minus 5 into m2, 5m2 divided by m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, cross multiplication. Anything into 0? 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 5m1 minus 5m2. Okay. Minus 5m2 becomes plus 5m2. Therefore, 5m2 is equal to 5m1. This 5 get cancelled. There is no coefficient means 1. Therefore, m1, m2 will divide m1. m1, m2 will divide m1 is equal to remaining is 1 by 1, because there is no term means 1. There is no coefficient means 1 raised to 1 means m1 raised to, therefore m1 raised to m2 is equal to how much? 1 raised to 1. 500, therefore 1 raised to 1. Therefore the ratio are m1 and m2 is equal to how much? 1 raised to 1. How much? m1 raised to m2 is equal to, or m1 divided by m2 is equal to how much? 1 raised to 1. 1 raised to 1. And also we have to find coordinates. And also we have to find coordinates here. Y value is how much? 0. Y value is how much? 0. Then x value is how much here? Here x value, you don't know the x value. X value, y value is 0. Here we got the coordinates or ratio. M1 raised to M2 means 1 raised to 1. But we have to find the coordinates. We have to find the coordinates. It means we have to find the coordinates of P. P coordinates x comma 0 means it is x-axis value, y-axis value is how much? 0. Then what is the value of x-axis value? We have to find x-axis value. Now this is the ratio. Then we have to find the value of x-axis. How we can find? With the help of x-axis, 0 equal to this one, x equal to this one. 0 equal to this one, x equal to this one means it means we have to find the value of x means we have to consider x equal to this one. M1 raised to M to nothing but 1 divided by 1, therefore ratio 1 raised to 1. 1 raised to 1 means it is exactly considered as midpoint. Okay, 1 raised to 1 means it is considered as midpoint. 1 raised to 1 means it is considered as midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? Therefore x equal to midpoint formula. Y considered means y2 plus y1 divided by 2. X considered means x2 plus x1 divided by 2. X is equal to what is the value of x2? 1 raised to 1 means midpoint. x2 value is minus 4 plus x1 value is 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Therefore x value is, therefore coordinates of x value is minus 3 by 2, y value is 0. Because already y value is given. Therefore minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Therefore the coordinates of p x comma 0. The coordinates of p x comma 0. The coordinates of p. Okay, the coordinates of p x comma 0, m1 raised to m2. Therefore the ratio r m1 m2 means 1 raised to 1. 1 raised to 1 means it is midpoint. Then x value is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Okay, here line segment A and B is the line segment. Okay, this line segment is divided by x-axis. Okay, you have to consider now this one is the line segment. This line segment is divided by what? X-axis. This line segment is divided by what? X-axis. This line segment is divided by, now P is the line, AB is the line segment. P will divide this line segment, that is P. It means x-axis is divided by line segment. X-axis is divided by line segment. Yes, okay, sir. Then that x-axis, it means P will divide this line segment. P will divide this line segment. It means the position of P is on the position of P is on x-axis. What it indicates. Previous problem only direct line segment and divide what the direct coordinates, but here coordinates is not given. Coordinates in this, it is given in the form of statement. What is the statement? The line segment is divided by x-axis. It means P, that line segment is considered as P. P will divide this line segment. P means the position of P on x-axis. The position of P on x-axis. If the point lies on x-axis means y value is 0. If point lies on y-axis means x value is 0. What it indicates? If the point on x-axis means y value is 0. If the point on y-axis means x value is 0. Therefore, y value is how much here? 0. Yes, because the point lies on x-axis means y value is 0. If the point lies on x-axis means y value is 0. What is the value of x? We don't know. Therefore, it means for this reason, I am considering x value is x only, x-axis value x only, y value is 0. Y value is 0. If the point one way divided by x-axis instead of divided by x-axis instead of divided by y-axis, I get one way. If divided by this line segment is divided by y-axis means what will happen here? 0 comma y ಆಗ್ತಾ 0 comma y, because y-axis will divide means the point on y-axis. If the point on y-axis means x value is 0, y value is 1. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು as it is same divided instead of divided by x axis divided by y axis means what will happen, the coordinates appear, x value is 0, y value y only, y value y only, y value y only. Okay, because divided by x axis means point lies on x axis means y value is 0, therefore x value is x only. Okay, right, next one, sixth one. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, keep in your mind, vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. Find the okay, here these are 4 vertices belongs to a parallelogram, then find the value of x and y. Okay, now AC is the diagonal and DB is also diagonal. AC is also diagonal, DB both diagonal will intersect at O. Yes, here both diagonal will intersect at O. It means the midpoint of AC is the midpoint, O is the midpoint. Yes, O is the already example problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The midpoint of AC is O. The midpoint of DB is also O. For both the diagonal, which one is the midpoint? For both the diagonal, O is the midpoint. It means midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of DB, because for both the problems, for both the diagonals, O is the midpoint. Therefore, O equal to O. Therefore, O equal to O. Therefore, midpoint AC equal to midpoint DB. Midpoint of AC equal to how much? Midpoint of DB. For both the diagonals, O is the midpoint. Okay, what is the midpoint formula? X2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to okay, then midpoint AC equal to midpoint DB. For both the diagonal, we have to find the value of x and y. Keep in mind, students, we have to find the value of x and y. Our details is like this. We have to find the value of x and y. X and y means here AC midpoint is O, DB midpoint is O. For both the diagonal, O is the midpoint. For both the diagonal, O is the midpoint. Therefore, midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of DB. X2 plus x1 divided by y2 plus y1. This one is also x2 plus x1 divided by 2. X2 plus x1 divided by 2. Again y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay. If AC is diagonal, x1 y1, x2 y1. AC it is AC, it is DB. X2 plus x1, x2 value is x plus x1 value is 1 divided by 2. What is the value of y2? Y2 value is 6 plus y1 value is 2 divided by 2 is equal. Now for AC, next for DB. For DB it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Okay, is equal to what is the value of x2? X2 value is 4 plus x1 value is 3 divided by 2. Then what is the value of y2? Y2 value is y plus y1 value is 5 divided by 2. It means x axis equal to this one, y axis equal to this one. X axis equal to x axis, y axis equal to y axis. X coordinate, y coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate. X plus 1 divided by 2 equal to what? 4 plus 3, 7 divided by 2. Next, 6 plus 2, 8. This one equal to this one. 6 plus 2 is 8 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, these two get cancelled. These two get cancelled. Denominator. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. X is equal to 7 minus 1. X is equal to how much? 6. Then plus 5 becomes minus 5. y is equal to 8 minus 5, therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore coordinates of x comma y is equal to how much? 6 comma 3. Therefore the coordinates of x and y are 6 comma 3. Therefore the coordinates of x and y are 6 comma 3. Therefore the coordinates of x and y are 6 comma 3. Sir, ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ? For here the all the four vertices belongs to parallelogram. Then we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, A, B, C, D is considered the AC joint. Now AC becomes diagonal, DB becomes diagonal. Both the diagonal will intersect one common point. That common point is considered as O. It means the position of O, midpoint of AC is O. Midpoint of DB is also O. Therefore, according to with the help of midpoint formula. With the help of midpoint formula, therefore midpoint of AC equal to is O. Therefore midpoint of DB is also O. Therefore O equal to what? O. Therefore midpoint of AC equal to what? Midpoint of DB. Therefore midpoint formula x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Again for a DB, x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. If AC means x1 y1, x2 y2, then value substitution model is equal to, then midpoint of DB means x1 y1, x2 y2, value substitution model. Therefore x axis value equal to this one, y axis value equal to this one. Therefore after simplification, x value is 6, y value is 3. Therefore x value is 6, y value is 3. X value is 6, y value is 3. X value is 6, y value is 3. Okay. Then seventh one. Find the coordinates of the A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is, keep in mind students, whose center is 2 and minus 3. Center is given. Center nothing but it is origin. Center is given 2 comma 3 and B is 1 comma 4. It means AB is a diameter. AB is diameter. Here one end point of a diameter is given and midpoint is given. Then we have to find one end point of a diameter. One end point of a diameter. Find the coordinates of the A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is given. Whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. It means find the coordinates. Indirectly we have to find the coordinates. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? Okay, now it is considered as circle. Now A is the diameter. It is A, it is B. The coordinates of A are, so sorry, coordinates of B are 1 comma 4. Then coordinates of A we have to find coordinates of A. Nothing but it is considered as x1 y1. It is x2 y2. And center is given. Center means it is considered as O. Center means it is the exact midpoint. Center nothing but it is a midpoint. Midpoint means midpoint will divide line segment in what ratio? 1:1. The midpoint, the coordinates of midpoint are 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. Then find the coordinates of A. The position of O is midpoint. Midpoint will divide in the ratio 1:1. It means what it indicates? x1 y1 we have to find. x2 y2 is given. xy is given. m1 m2 is given. We have to find x1 y1 because A is the line segment, A is the diameter, A is the first end point, B is the second end point. The diameter and its center is 2 comma minus 3 and B coordinates are 1 comma 4. Then find the coordinates of A. Midpoint means it will divide in what ratio? 1:1. Therefore section formula. Therefore O, coordinates of O, midpoint means x comma y is equal to, what is the midpoint formula? x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Because midpoint formula, center means it is a midpoint means it will divide 1:1. 1:1 means m1 value is also 1, m2 value is also 1. Therefore O, x value is how much? So O x 1 confuse 3 7 p. Okay, x value is how much? 2, y value is minus 3. x1 y1, x2 value is 1 plus x1 value we have to find divided by 2, y2 value 4, y1 value we have to find divided by 2. Okay. Now 2 equal to this one minus 3 equal to this one. Then 2 equal to 1 plus x1 divided by 2 minus 3 equal to 4 plus y1 divided by 2. Then cross multiply, it will not divide. 2 2s are 4. 4 equal to 1 plus x1. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Therefore x1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. 4 minus is equal to how much? 3. Then cross multiply. Plus into minus. Minus 3 2s are 6. Plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to y1. Therefore minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Therefore the coordinates of x1 y1. x1 y1 is equal to how much? 3 comma minus 10. Therefore the coordinates of x1 and y1. Therefore the coordinates of x1 y1 are 3 comma minus 10. Therefore value of x1 y1 3 comma minus 10. 3 comma already there is the midpoint. Center means it is midpoint. We will divide it 1 raised to 1. m1 value is also 1, m2 value is also 1. Therefore x axis consider as x equal to this one, y equal to this one. For simplification x1 value is 3 comma minus 10. 3 comma minus 10. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.